There we go, folks. So today I got this huge package through the post. It weighs quite a bit as well, so I thought we'd have a little open together and see what's in it. I'm expecting a package, possibly from these guys, so we'll see if that's what it is, shall we? Hopefully. Let's see what's inside. Nothing like sharing a package day. This is huge. Oh, okay. I'm not too sure. I've got some stickers. Fighting lockpicker stickers. I've got a few of these, so I'll be sharing them around. The poker chip. More stickers. Lock junkie. Lockpicking engineer. I don't have one of these. That's fantastic. But I've got some doubles, which I'll obviously be sharing a love, because that's what I like to do. Wow. Goodness me. Is all I could say. Round 2. That's for fighting lockpicker. The second challenge lock. Fighting lockpicker again. Eye test by Dots locks. More challenge locks. We've got some more content coming up, folks. Blimey. What is all this? Oh. Well, H&H. Jackknife. I don't know who this is from. It might be Dots. Oh, there's a box in here as well. Oh, blimey. Sergeant. Rim cylinder. I think this is from Dots. Anyway, if it is, thanks, Dots. I was expecting him. He did post it yesterday. He said there was loads of locks. It is from Dots Locks. I'm sure it is. I'll know in a minute. Let's get rid of that. Oh, I think this is this is from Hozzer. Oh dear. I've heard this is a right pain in the bum. That's going to be awesome. We'll see what we can do with that. Yeah, pocket rocket. He's really, really good. Oh, little crystal as well. Loads more challenge locks. It is from Dots Locks, and I know because this is the tensioner made by the Welsh lockpicker. That's why his sticker's out, because I was half expecting this. Thanks, Dots. That's really awesome of you, mate. Thank you so much. I really will. You've blown me away. Locks and everything. I'm not sure if that's a challenge lock. I'll soon find out when I start putting all this together. Unless that's for that. I bet that's for that. So, no, that lock's in there. So that's another one. Blimey, loads to chew on. Thank you ever so much. Yeah, this is the tensioner for the, I'll show you. Let's just move all this out of the way. Cool, blimey. What a feast of stuff. Thanks ever so much. Totally blown away. Totally blown away, Dots. That's just amazing. Here we go. Let's get a sticker on display in the stand. Look. There we go. Ta-da. Right. So yeah, a little while ago, the Welsh lock picker. Kindly, I reached out to him and asked him if he could have a go on this big 6. Massive padlock. Look at the size of that. Next to, that's a Squire 330. So, keys. But I don't have a tensioner was big enough to fit that post. And I didn't really want to use the 2-wire method on it. I did try it once, but I don't want to do it too much because obviously it puts a lot of tension on that post, and that tension on the post isn't supposed to have things pushing against it. Hence the barrel key, which just slides over it. So yeah, thank you very much. So yeah, I said to him, did he make a tensioner from a key? And he did, and this is it. So thank you very much for that. And now, I just want to see if I've got any chance of picking it. That's for bitting on the key. Haven't picked this before. Like I say, it's been sat here waiting for this tensioner to arrive. Let's try and Nigby wire, shall we? The cloth, I'll just give it a wipe. It's a bit mucky because I've been playing with this cruiser. That's how big it is next to a cruiser, look. It's bigger than a cruiser, for heaven's sake. Huge, huge lock. Just for scale. Here's a little Squire 770 next to it. So you can see how big this thing is. I mean, the 770 is quite big, but that's a monster. So, let us move things aside. Yeah, lots of challenge locks to be getting on with. Thanks, folks. I'll be doing some picking on those, some posts. Oh dear, this is a beast. Let's see how I can get this comfy. So, never picked one of these before in my life so far. I may need to practice a bit, we'll see. No harm in failing though, because it keeps it real. We don't always get a pick out the packet. Oh. But this time we do. There we go. That was fun. Gonna have another little go on that. And then I'll send it back to you, Richard, along with a 330, my friend. Oh. This bit's always fun. There we go. There. Lovely. Beautiful. I like that. I'm going to have to get one for my collection. So that's it for today, folks. Dots, thank you so, so much. You've blown me away. That's really, really kind of you, my friend. And I will keep everybody posted and probably do some picking on these challenge locks in the very near future. So that's it for now, folks. Until next time, thanks for joining me, and I'll see you all soon. Take care. Bye-bye.